Amnesty India organization introduces a perfect humanist about Ms. Gracie Joseph. For Star Force India, I am Mr. P.C. Joseph here introducing a special personality who has been eager and interested to help the needy. I wish to familiarize Ms. Gracie Joseph. To all of you, Ms. Gracie Joseph is a servicing staff nurse in Jaipur Medical College Hospital. For the past 17 years she has been in the medical field. Here we want to introduce Ms. Gracie Joseph to all of you because of her determination and interest to help the poorest people is, of course, has an emulating merit that is a very rare quality of character, which is hardly to find out nowadays. Today everybody accumulate money and only money everybody wants. But, here Ms. Gracie Joseph is something different from majority. The first important thing about her is that she never interested money at first, but service is first and money is the second. Born and brought up in a poorest family, her life had been hardest until she got posted in a government service. She is hailing from Katachira, a village in Kottayam district, in state of Kerala, in India. Her father, Mr. Joseph, was a son of richest landlord at Punathura village, nearby Katachira village. Her father, Mr. Joseph, was an innocent and compassionate and endearing personality. But he was an unlucky person. His younger brother, Mr. Papachan Vengacharal, cheated his elder brother Joseph and misappropriated his family share worth largest amount. Mr. Joseph, deprived of his ancestral share of property, legacy and right of share from his father and lost everything that his father owed to him. Mr. Joseph became a shattered person. He did not know how to maintain a 7-member family to which he was the head. Mr. Joseph had to suffer untold pain and tension. The 7-member family became below red line. The 7-member family suffered most excruciating experiences. So, the childhood life of Ms. Gracie Joseph was highly pitiful and miserable. Her childhood was a real example of detention, illustration of pathetic children. Ms. Gracie Joseph never ever enjoyed any childhood indulgence. She has nothing to cherish about her childhood, but she cherishes the memories of poverty and destitution. Her early life was full of rigors, full of heart-breaking experiences and full of plight and pity, but her father struggled very hard and fight all the way to earn money and hardly managed to send his children to school. And he done all the best he can. Hunger, destitution and all rigors of life were the childhood friends of Ms. Gracie Joseph. And she grown up along with him. After her graduation in biology, she joined GNM training. Because there was no money for further academic study, so she desperately needed a job. She passed GNM training from a Gov. Institute and joined Gov. Service. She has been in service for 17 years now. What is her ideals? Gracie P.J. Real follower of Florence Nightingale. Ms. Gracie Joseph has been always standing different from the thousands each and every nurse desperately want to go to foreign countries like UK and US only to earn maximum money. But Ms. Gracie Joseph stayed back at her home country, of course. She must have her own ideal. She has been never greed of money. She wanted to help the poor people. She was well aware that her service must necessary for the poor people in her motherland. Her own experiences with poverty and pathetic situations made her a human rights activist. She had complete knowledge of human tragedies, agonies, poverty, pain of hunger, traumatic grievances of life, so she decided to help the poor people. She never wanted to go abroad to accumulate money. She has perfection in her work field. She has been assiduous and ideological. Her ability and efficiency in her profession is extraordinary. Her morals are incredible. After 8 to 10 hours on Gov. duty, she go out to inquire about the health problem of the downtrodden who live in filthy shacks and plastic tents on the roadside. She gives them necessary help as far as she can, of course. Ms. Gracie Joseph is a wonderful personality. She has her own philosophy. She has her own ideals. Her silent mission is to help the poor. She does her silent service to the poorest. She has silent commitment to promote human dignity and human rights. All these characters make Ms. Gracie Joseph a very distinguishable personality. She is an honor for the humanists across the world. This entry was posted on Monday, October 25, 2010 at 8:28 a.m. and it's filed under Human Rights Organization. You can follow any responses to this entry through the RSS 2.0 feed. You can leave a response or track back from your own site. Edit this entry.